700-800 feet is the usual altitude you're jumping from. So it sounds like a lot, but it's actually very, very low when you're actually in the aircraft looking down, getting ready to jump, I assure you. You get to the ground in really only about 30 seconds, maybe.
Enjoying ourselves immensely on Virginia Beach's premier ice tour. I am now finally able to stop breathing so hard through my nose and get a chance to see Frades. Here she is. Have you enjoyed this experience?
I have.
Good. I would say you did very well.
Thank you.
And I also
Did very well.
Yeah, I did way better than I thought I was going to. Given the fact that last time I did this was 11 months ago, and wow, I was terrible. So this has been great.
Yes.
Incredible 3-day adventure here in Virginia Beach. We are now able to finish with a parting shot here at Macaroni Grill, where we will enjoy some of this delicious breaded
Bread. It's bread.
appetizer,
It's bread.
and with delicious company and and 2 brisket skillets that we have ordered. We are finishing on a really good note. So we're glad you could join us for this. Braids, can you describe in one word the trip?
Can I say wonderful, or is that cheating?
That's good. Yeah.
Relaxing.
Relaxing.
Bonding.
Is a better word.
Rejuvenating. Exciting.
Yeah.
Rather strenuous.
It is both invigorating and restful.
Yeah,
So, restvigorating,
that's right.
invigorful.
That's exactly correct.
But it has been wild, or maybe exciting is the best word.
Yeah, that'll work. All right.
Artwork.
Oh, check this out. Braids and cap and a heart. So cute. So cute. Oh.